I never knew love could feel this way. Every heartbeat whispers your name. In your eyes I see the stars align. You're my reason, my Valentine. Every moment, every day, you take my breath away. With you I found where I belong. You're the melody to my song. Valentine, you're the love I've waited for. In your arms I'm forever sure.
If you log into your Suno account, or if you don't have account, just create accounts with Suno AI. All you need to do is to go to your home page. When you go to your home page, you will see other people's creation, and you see they are getting thousands of views and likes. And you can use this as an inspiration to also create your own music. AI music is taking over the world and I'm not playing. So many people are making money on Spotify with AI music and also Apple Music using AI music. And if this is something you would like to try, I will encourage you to watch this video. So to create your own video, what you need to do is to go to the create section, click on it, and you will see this tab where it says V4. Make sure you have the V4 ticked. So let's start by using a song description instead of pasting a lyric. Let's pretend as if we don't know how to write a song. So all you need to do is to toggle off this icon in the custom section and type in your prompt. This is my prompt. The title is Happy AI, which is in the bracket. Once you type anything in the bracket, that will be the title of your song. And you have to describe the type of music. For me, it's soulful, 80s retro, hip hop, fast paced, and a male voice. So now I have to click on create. Every time you click on create, Suno AI will give you 2 songs and you have to choose one that you like. So our generation is complete. Let's listen and see how it sounds.
I met a friend who never sleeps, dreams in code and beats so deep. Dancing circuits, electric sound, in a digital world we're tightly bound. Happy eye, you make me fly, skies of zeros far and wide. Binary love, our hearts align. In this matrix, you are mine.
That was beautiful, very beautiful. It sounds like human music or even better than some. Let's not talk about it. So let's try another prompt, and this time around, let's on the instrumental icon. So the first one, the instrumental was off, but this time let's add instrumental and use another text prompt and see what we can get. The title of this one that we will have the instrumental on is called New Year, and Happy New Year to you. So the description is emo alternative rocks, melodic, dark poetry, synthetic, keychain, female voice, angling. Now let's click on create with the instrumental icon turned on and see what we'll have. Now let's listen. That was simply amazing. So it is instrumental, and that is why you are hearing only instrumental. What will happen if we turn this instrumental icon off and click on create? Let's see what we'll have.
Dark nights merged on whispered lies, shattered hopes and vacant eyes. Lost dreams drift like silent cries. New Year's here, we'll fight the ties. Fading echoes of the past, broken clocks, time moving fast. Staring into void at last. New year comes, shadows cast. New year, new fear, same old scars. Chasing ghosts in battered cars. Wounds we hide behind these bars. Searching for the lost memoirs. Glitching moments, fractured soul. Synthetic dreams take their toll. Pieces scattered, try to hold. New Year's here, hearts are cold. Key change in the broken tune. Shifting shadows under moon. Voices lost, echo soon. New year, bringing nothing new. Empty bottles bleed regret. Promises we can't forget. Whispers haunt us like a debt. New year comes but not reset. New year, new fear, same old scars. Chasing ghosts in battered cars. Wounds we hide behind.
And it's also important to know that every music generated by Suno AI is within 2 to 5 minutes long. Yes. So one generation is enough for you to upload on Spotify and start making money from it, even if you're not a musician. So now let's try another prompt or another method to see the results that we will get. This time around, I would like to turn on the custom icon and ask Suno AI to help us generate a music. So there are two ways to do this. So what you need to do is to paste in your lyrics, okay? And to get a lyric, all you need is ChatGPT. So I have already gotten my music lyric. All I need to do is to paste it here. Select the type of style of music you want it to be, which you can do by just clicking on each of these and selecting the type you want. And you can also add the title. So the title is Valentine. And once you're done, click on create. Now let's listen to it to see how it sounds.
I never knew love could feel this way. Every heartbeat whispers your name. In your eyes, I see the stars align. You're my reason, my Valentine. Every moment, every day, you take my breath away. With you, I found where I belong. You're the melody to my song. Valentine, you're the love I've waited for. In your arms, I'm forever sure. Through the highs, through the lows, you're the light my heart always knows. Oh, Valentine, my heart is yours. Your laughter's like a gentle breeze, a symphony that sets me at ease. When you're near, the world feels divine. You complete me, my Valentine. me why I love you so much. With you, my world is so alive. You're the dream I never knew could survive. Valentine, you're the love I've waited for. In your arms, I'm forever sure. Through the highs, through the lows, you're the light my heart always knows. Oh, Valentine, my heart is yours. Forever's not enough for us. In your love, I'll always trust. With every kiss, with every glance, you'll give my soul another chance. Valentine, you're the love I've waited for. In your arms, I'm forever sure. Through the highs, through the lows, you're the light my heart always knows. Oh, Valentine, my heart is yours. So here's my heart, take it, it's true.
So please tell me which musician can sing better than Suno AI, because this is busting my brain. God. I'm trying to act professional, but this is so nice. Like, this is very real. You cannot tell me that this is AI singing. You cannot tell me this is AI singing. What is the difference between this and a musician? This AI is better than most musicians you know. Let's not argue it. Let's not argue. This is so beautiful. Very, very beautiful. And it's... No! Let's continue. Okay. Let's try another method. Now, that the next thing we are going to try is to upload our own audio. And because I do not have an audio, I am not going to post I am not going to show you the results, but you can click here and upload your own audio, and Suno AI will make the sound more beautiful for you. And if you feel that you have written a music and you have recorded your music, but you don't like the sound of it, upload your audio by clicking here, and Suno AI will work on it. The main thing you have to note, you have to take away from this video is it's not about the test prompts, it's not about the title that you have given to Suno AI. It's about the selection of the style of music. The magic is in the style of music. That is when you will get the best results. All right. So the next thing that we can do is to use persona. Persona copies the voice and style of a song to a new song you create. So a song created with a persona will be up to 4 minutes long each. These features is only available for Pro and Premiere users. So persona will allow you to use a particular voice multiple times. So you can sound like yourself with different music that you release with Suno, but the same voice, which is very realistic because you do not want to be sounding like different people at the same time. So this is an amazing feature that Suno AI has released. Now, it's still the same process. Paste your lyrics or upload your audio, then you select persona. So for you to select persona, you have to create it. All you need to do is to click on my persona and you click on create a new persona. Then you select a song. You select a song. I can select Valentine. Then I say Valentine and I click on confirm. So anytime I choose persona, the next music that I generate will sound like the voice that you heard in Valentine. Another thing you can do is that you can extend your music. Okay, let's go to the home page. And this is the music that a creator generated. If we click here, we can extend this by adding our own lyrics, okay? We can add more lyrics to it and generate from another person's music. You can also extend your own music. As you can see here, all you need to do is click on extend, add more lyrics to it, and it will be extended. Another thing you can do is to share it to the public. The ones you have seen on your homepage are being shared to the public. All you need to do is to click on share and it will be released to the public. Another thing you can do is to remaster your clips.
I never knew love could feel this way. Every heartbeat whispers your name. In your eyes, I see the stars align. You're my reason, my Valentine. Every moment, every day, you take my breath away. With you, I found where I belong. You're the melody to my song. Valentine, you're the love I've waited for. In your arms, I'm forever sure. Through the highs, through the lows, you're the light my heart always knows. Oh, Valentine, my heart is yours. You left us.
Remaster means it has to regenerate, but it has to make the music sound better. All right. And to remaster, all you have to do is if you go to your library, you see your musics and click on this icon. Go to create and click on remaster, and the clip will start to remaster. So that is all you need to do to remaster all your music to make it sound better. Okay.